So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today with me is the Crompton Instaserve 2100 watts induction cooktop. So I have bought it from Amazon. So as you can see, this is a typical Crompton box, and let me show you this part. 1 year warranty, it's mentioned here. So this thing is having a 1 year warranty, and other features are 2100 watts, 8 built-in menu options, 2.5 kV surge protection, 12 feather touch switches, and obviously this is a touch model, and this is a slim design. So it's really a slim design, that I can assure you. So as you can see, this is the manufacturing label part of the box. So this is made by Crompton Grips Consumer Electricals Limited, and the registered office of Crompton has been changed. As you can see, it's a Godrej building in Vikhroli, Mumbai. Previously it was used to in a different place, but now the place has been changed, and also the toll-free number has been also changed. It's manufactured in this location. As you can see, it's manufactured in Alwar, Rajasthan. Also, as you can see, this is the specifications mentioned here, and it's manufactured in February 2025. MRP is 5400, and this is the model code, and this is the number, that is the old number. So whatever might be, this is the top part of the box with a carrying handle here, so you can carry, and this is the side, and nothing else, nothing much. So this is the back side. As you can see, here are some features mentioned, like 8 built-in menus and easy maintenance. Let me have a close-up so that you can see. Whatever might be, let's quickly unpack the product. So guys, as you can see, this is the induction cooktop, and this is the warranty card and instruction manual of this cooktop. As you can see here, this manual serves for 4 induction cooktops, that is mentioned here. And as you can see, this is the manual. All the operating instructions and the menus and heating instructions are provided here. As you can see, even some of the other models specifications are also mentioned here, like this same warranty card for different models. So whatever might be, this is the instruction come warranty card. The back side is the warranty card part, and this is the full manual is of the instructions. And this is the induction cooktop, as you were watching. So this is the front part of the induction cooktop. This is the side part. As you can see, the induction cooktop is quite thin, and it's not fat as that of the different manufacturers' products. And this is the rear side of the induction cooktop. So this is having a fan. As you can see, this is having a small fan for cooling purpose, and you shouldn't be blocking this fan by any means during operation, because this fan sucks in cold air and cools the internal parts. So as you can see, here is the label. So let me show you the label first. So as you can see here, and a hologram is also provided here, and a Make in India sticker that you are watching. So the internals are slightly visible through the air vents. And one thing to say you is, Crompton did a great job providing a 15 ampere power top instead of 5 ampere power tops that some other manufacturers used to provide in their 2000 or 2100 watt cooktops. So let me just move on to my kitchen, and let me just power it up, and let me show it to you. So guys, I have plugged the machine in. So let me turn it on. So the induction cooktop receive power. So this is the power button, and this is keep warm and all the functions here. This is for increasing the wattage, this is for decreasing the wattage, so minus and plus, as you can see. So this is in idle mode now. So whatever might be the functions you have to put it in within 10 seconds, otherwise it will go to sleep mode, as you can see. So as you can see, it's on to sleep mode again. So just wake up the machine and put in it some modes, whatever you love. I have put here in any of the modes, and it's showing E0 error because there is no utensil on the induction cooktop. So it's just for protection, and in the current situation, the touch will sound, but there will be no actions taken since there is no utensil. So one thing to note, as you can see, here are some instructions provided. The ceramic plate is hot after cooking, please don't touch. Obviously you shouldn't be touching this ceramic plate after cooking, and mains should be switched off once cooling fan is off. So currently the cooling fan is running. As you can see, this fan is running, and it's displacing air from the machine to outside. So this fan will run for around 5 minutes or 2 minutes, depending on the heat of the induction cooktop. Generally, if it's cold also, then also it runs for a minute or so. So please don't turn off the power switch before the fan gets turned off automatically. So this will prolong the longevity of the induction cooktop. And also another thing is that regarding the induction cooktop, never expose the induction cooktop to humidity, moisture, and don't place this induction cooktop in any of the soft surface like cloth, towel, or newspaper or similar kind of thing, or even in a cushion or whatsoever might be, or thermocol, because those kind of things blocks the air sucking mechanism below, which will result in overheating. Since the fan cannot suck the air, the induction cooktop will overheat and it may cause severe damage inside the induction cooktop. So as you can understand, so here is the utensil. So as you can see, all the modes got restored, and with 1600 watts only the water started to bubble. So this is the maximum wattage: 2100 and 1900, 1600, 14, 12, 800, 600, 300, and 300 is the last, as you can see. So the operation of the induction cooktop is really simple. So let me just show you the functions in a brief. So after placing the steel or iron utensil that is recommended for induction cooktop usage, place the utensil, then turn the machine on, put it in your required mode, then after the work is done, turn off the induction cooktop. And also one thing, if you basically want the food or whatever might be to get slightly warm, then this keep warm function is there. So let me show you all the functions in a brief so that you can understand by yourself. So watch this part of the video once or twice for your understanding. So in case of milk, it's given here time, because as everybody knows that the milk boils in an unexpected manner. So just to prevent that, a time is provided here. You can reduce the time like this, or you can increase the time like this depending on the boiling of the milk. So basically what you just saw here is you can adjust all the heat settings of all the menus except this keep warm function. So this is a fixed function, and in the milk function also the wattage is not visible here, and only the time, the milk function depends on the time, and the deep fry also depends on the temperature. So when the display is showing a reading that's having a prefix on this dot C, like the indicator that you just watched, so that will indicate the what is showing in the display. You will get the reference in these three marks. In this side you will get the wattage if, like this. For example, when this indicator is glowing, that means it's showing the wattage. When this indicator is glowing, that means you can see the temperature. And when this indicator is glowing, so this is an additional indicator. This is for the time setting, how much long you want to drive the induction cooktop. So if you want to cancel the time, then press this time in once and it will get cancelled. So it's basically the timer feature. So I hope you understood the modes here. Also there is a child lock feature in this induction cooktop. For example, supposedly it's running in 300 or whatever might be the setting you have done, and you want the touch to be completely locked. So in that aspect, here is it's shown the child lock. Just to press these two buttons and L will be visible here. So that means no buttons will work, even not the power, only the power button will work, but rest of the buttons it will not work. and after resuming the child lock will be gone. So also you can cancel the child lock during the usage of the machine. You can do it in any of the modes. There is no such specific mode like this. I am just locking this thing. All the buttons will not work except the power button. Okay, and when I want to cancel this lock, I have to like this, the lock has been cancelled. So operation of this induction cooktop is really easy. Even some of the rival brands out there have little bit difficulty level in operation, but I feel this Crompton has made this induction cooktop really user friendly, and I am really surprised how well Crompton has managed the thickness of the induction cooktop to such a slim profile, and even the software of the induction cooktop to so much user friendly interface, or whatever you may say. And also the noise from the fan is running currently silent. It's not that annoying, but you can be assured that the fan is running, so you will not power it off. And now the fan has been stopped. And it will go silent, and then you can turn off the power. So my conclusion on this Crompton induction cooktop. So I basically felt this induction cooktop is really user friendly, and this is my first induction cooktop from Crompton that I bought. Previously I used Philips and Prestige, and I have used many models of Prestige and one model of Philips that is also 2100 watts. So all among these, I feel Crompton made the slimmest induction cooktop ever possible, with a good design here that you can see. Now these designs obviously fades out over time, but still it looks quite modern due to this futuristic design. And regarding the fact the induction cooktop is not so heavy as of the old generation induction cooktops, it's quite lightweight, but you can feel this is not any cheap product. This is when you lift it with your hand, you can feel you are holding something premium product and not something locally made, as you can understand. So whatever might be. And another thing is that since Crompton have a very good reputation on ceiling fans, pumps, motors, mixer grinders, lights, and these kind of things, Crompton just started a huge range of electrical items after acquiring Butterfly. So go just check it in the Google, you can understand what I am talking about. Crompton used to make all kind of fans, pumps, motors, and those kind of things everybody knew, but after Butterfly acquisition, they have entered in this cooking appliances and all kind of these gadgets in a very vast range. So previously Crompton didn't have any very good reputation on the induction cooktops because the spare parts was not available. But since this is the latest generation model, obviously I don't feel Crompton will have a hard time in providing the spare parts and all kind of things on this time. So this touch panel don't have any problems. Only the button clicking models have the problem. So if somebody asks me what to take, button model or touch model, I will say just go for these touch models, because if any food or milk or water gets spilled on this induction cooktop, there is no place that the liquid get inside this machine. Since as you can see, this is a single slab of tempered glass, and if the liquid also pours all around, it have to go to the sides and it will drip from here. And in this part, as you can see, this is a sealed part. This is not any kind of joints or whatsoever. So this is molding part, so it will not get entered from this part also. So, and as you can see, this the liquid have to travel all the way and then have to reverse travel against gravity in a different physics, as you can understand. Then the liquid will have a very hard time to get inside the machine, as you can understand. It's not so easy. So that's why I always recommended touch induction cooktops to all of my friends and whoever takes advice from me. And this model also have a 2000 watt variant that's in a red color. This design is in red color, and it's not so much design, it's a very slight design on this. So 2000 watts, and as you can see here on the manual, 2000 watt, 2100 watt. I don't know about this model, and the 1600 watt. All the four models are the popular models. So I will recommend the 2000 and 2100 watts to you. So whatever might be. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So if you guys enjoyed my video, then press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments regarding this induction cooktop, then place it below. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. And go check it out in the Amazon or in the offline stores near you. You can get these Crompton induction cooktops. So whatever might be, guys, thanks for watching.